Hi everyone, I'm Darren and I'm the Yorkshire chilli grower. Right, today I'm going to talk to you about tomatoes and cucumbers. Now, I know a lot of you say don't get your tomato stems wet, don't get your cucumber stems wet because they'll rot. So what you'll do is you go out and buy these tomato planters and cucumber planters, these halo things. Well, I thought of a cheaper way of doing it, and it basically doesn't cost you anything. Well, it'll cost you once and that's it, and that's these milk bottle containers. Now, I know if you're saying, oh, you can't plant tomatoes up in small pots and you have to have big pots, but I'll show you how big your tomatoes can get in one of these, and I'll show you why I use these. Right, so all you do, get your milk bottle, obviously wash it out before you use it, get a knife, just put it under there, take your label off. So that's it, that's your milk bottle there. Then the next thing you do is you get your milk bottle and you cut just around about here. Get a hole with your knife. You can go right round with a knife, but I just get my scissors out and I'll cut round the top like that. So then obviously your milk bottle's like that. Then all you do then is cut where your handle is, so you end up with your milk bottle like that. Now this is where this comes in handy. Now obviously you're going to be planting your tomato or your cucumber inside here, so for your watering then that's where you use that. You just water it through that. Obviously you've got to drill your holes in the bottom, and all I do with that is 2, 3, 4. I put about 8 holes in it at the bottom like that. That's all I do, put 8 holes in. Then, like I say, put your tomato plant in there, or your cucumber plant, and then you water through that hole. Then that draws your roots further down and you don't even touch the stem, so you've got no chance of rotting your stem. And that's all you use them for. You buy them once when you buy your milk for your drinks, and then you're recycling it. At the end of the growing season, all you do, just cut it straight down the middle, take the plant out and put that back in your recycling, and that's it. I can't say how much easier it is than that, instead of going out and buying these expensive halos, buying plant pots all the time. There's plenty of things you can use at home to put your plants up with. Anyway, I'll show you some of the results I've had using this method. So here we are. This is one that I've just planted up now. This is a cucumber that I've just planted up now, and as you can see I'm using the same method as I've just shown you. Right, then if you look, here's my tomato plant here. Now if you look, got one truss there, another truss there, keep going up, that's 3 trusses. Go up further and you got another truss up there, so you got 4 trusses there from a milk bottle. Now there's not many of you in your house. I can't see the point of putting them in big pots when you clearly can see the results there. You get a massive tomato plant from just using a normal milk bottle pot. And as you can see here, I've got another one here, This is Santini Red. And you look up there, keep going up. Tomatoes on that already. There's plenty of buds on that. And again, you come round. This is piccolo. Again, in the plant pot. And again, tomatoes on it. I've just found that these piccolos are a bit slow growing, but it is growing bigger and bigger. And then that's another idea I had. Just hanging me a milk Coke bottle from the top of the greenhouse. And then if you look down here, got another one there. And that goes all the way up to here. I've actually stopped this one growing because I've got too many tomato plants at the moment. So there, that's all I use, and like I say, stops your stems rotting, and you just water in from there, and it promotes more root growth. So I hope this helps everyone, and see you on the next video. Thanks, bye.